Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INNL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I have done this one in the past. I did it a few days ago, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price action and volume, definitely want to get some things updated here. So first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning here. Get rid of these lines down here. And yes, they still pertain to the chart, but like I said, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So I just want to try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. And, getting those out of the way, is going to allow me to do so. Now, the first point that I want to talk about, and it's not really an update, it's more so a point of confirmation, is in regards to this red line here at $2, which I talked about the last time I did the video. And you can see here that this indeed did prove to be a level of resistance. Sure, the price got above it on a few different instances, but the price could never maintain above it, therefore still a level of resistance. And you can just see, pretty much the price is now just bunched up right around that area. Now, that's good news. I'm not saying that in necessarily a bad way. It's better than the price still obviously being way down here, but just saying that, going forward, $2 is still public enemy number one, where the bulls got to try to get a true break. A true break being two parts. First part is breaking above the level, yes, but the second part being maintaining above it. And again, like I said, the whole maintaining thing is where the price had trouble. Broke above it a couple times there, fell back below it, couldn't maintain it. Broke above it a couple times there, once again, couldn't maintain it, fell back below. So keep that in mind, and that is, definitely the main thing to be aware of is that $2 level. Now, looking at things from a support perspective and really just a big picture perspective, it's all about the purple line there, which is why I deleted those green lines, because the very simplistic way to look at the chart is as long as the price is above that 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move up like that. And when you stop and think about it, okay, so what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase over time. And that, by definition, is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you stop and look at them a certain way, they almost insult your intelligence. So from a support standpoint, as far as measuring the overall health of the move, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. So all in all, good solid day. The trend continues, so it'll be interesting to see how this closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.